Solve one problem for one person. That's my intent today by answering the question, how to start a one-person business. The answer is simple. I'm over on YouTube and I'm watching these videos based upon this keyword because that's what I do. I go and look at videos that are presented to folks out there that are looking to get started here online. So this is how to start a one-person business, and specifically, I'm saying how to start a one-person business and do it online and start with no money. These videos are very well done, but I think they're the perfect example of videos that are creative and entertaining, but miss the mark ultimately on giving you real, practical, or a proven strategy to actually start a one-person business, and specifically do it here online and do it in a simple way. This is really the idea and the concept of when I come to YouTube and I see these videos and I watch them again, they're very entertaining, they're very creative, and they're very, very well done. And they do provide a lot of valuable insight, but I think it falls into that category of make sure you're doing what they're doing, not just sitting and listening to what they're saying and then planning to do what they're doing. Because ultimately, I think what happens in this case is you wind up wasting a lot of time on YouTube, seeing creative videos, entertaining videos, even my videos. I want you to be able to take away actionable advice, to get a strategy, to see a proven strategy like my top strategy. So top strategy standing for traffic, offer, and people, with a proven roadmap to first and foremost pick a topic. That's the one problem that you're going to solve. The one problem that you're going to solve for one person, specifically like this video or like my channel here, 30-Minute Marketing, I'm trying to show you simplistic ways, or better yet, to be able to focus on one method of solving a problem for that one person that you're picking, and say, I'm going today pick a topic following a proven strategy, the fact that I need traffic, I need to be able to present an offer to people, and we're going to do that via affiliate marketing, but more on that later. And ultimately, I want to build an email list, and I want to add people to that email list so I can follow up with them. These are the core principles and the building blocks of a profitable online business. And yes, you can do this all as one person, and you can start with no money. I assume that you're watching this video either on your phone or on your computer. I guess you could be watching it on your TV, but I'm saying if you're watching on your phone, then you have a recording device. You have the ability to pick up your phone and record yourself. Of course, I'm sitting in my office. I'm talking into a webcam. It's connected to my computer. So go back first and foremost understand that to get traffic, to do what they're doing, not what they're saying in those videos that I showed you earlier about those well-done videos, pick a topic and think about the problem that you want to solve, and then talk about that problem, and then ultimately present the solution and say, okay, what tools do I need? What technology do I need to combine with those tools? What technology do I need to understand? How much time do I need to devote to this to get to the process of creating consistent content in the form of videos here on YouTube? This comes back to what I was saying, do what they do, not so much sit around listening to what they're saying, or take your time wasters and turn them into money pullers. And also there's a link in the description that shows you, in a report that I wrote, that shows you exactly what I do, exactly what they're doing. Those videos that I showed you at the beginning for this keyword, how to start a business, how to start a one-person business. As a person, as one person, how can you start a business here online and do it for $0? You can start by turning your time-wasting activities into money-pulling activities. Short and sweet, and the point that you need to focus on is you are becoming less of a consumer and more of a producer. You are going to start creating your own content. Go back to the proven roadmap, and again, understand that you need traffic. And right now, I want you to forget about all these. I have videos here on the channel that explain this. I also have a course, link in the description, that explains this roadmap step by step. It's all here for free on YouTube. The course just puts it in a step-by-step fashion and it's very easy to follow and maintain your focus when you're inside of a course versus here on YouTube. But the idea is to go back to traffic. It is the first thing that you need, and it is the videos that you see here on YouTube. You simply pick a topic. Click the link in the description, grab that free report, Time Wasters into Money Pullers, and this will show you what I mean by picking a topic. But the idea and the concept here is to move on to step 2. Again, go back to the tools and technology and the time required. Grab your phone, start recording videos of you helping people solve one problem. And focus in, seriously, focus in on one person and think, if I could just help one person today with a video that I make on a very specific topic of how to solve a problem, then that's time well spent. And that is video number 1. Video number 2 is going to be the same thing, maybe in just a different format, or maybe solving a different aspect of the same problem under the same topic, but make sure you stay on topic. And that is all I want you to do today, is to simply pick a topic. And to help you do that and understand what a topic really is, check out the link in the description, that free report, Turning Time Wasters into Money Pullers. And again, go back to the idea, or what I like to say here is, I like to talk about focus. It's not about faster, it's about focus, but it's about being focused on understanding that while you're here on YouTube, take the time to learn, take the time to be entertained, enjoy the creativity of all the videos that are super well done, probably and no doubt more well done than the video that you just watched here. But understand, I'm trying to show you or tell you to do what I do. Listen to what I'm saying and then go do it. Follow the top strategy. It's proven. You need traffic, you need offer, you need to add people to an email list. 3 foundational pillars. Check out the link in the description. Grab that free report on turning time wasters into money pullers and understand where you can start today by becoming a person that does what everyone else here on YouTube is doing, and that's creating content, helpful content that solves a problem for a person, one specific person that you have in mind. Or just keep it simple by thinking, if I could just help one person today, what would that look like? And then go do it. Again, link in the description for that free report. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.